guys, it's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm coming in strong. How are you, boo? Hey, I see my new subscribers. How y'all doing? Happy New Year. How y'all doing? Y'all didn't invite me to the cookout though. I remember that. Yup, I remember that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. You already know what time it is. I always get straight to it. I'm giving it to you and I'm giving it to you wrong. You've read the title and it says be more vocal. So the people that I'm going to be talking to are those that actually get their hair done by locticians. Now, if your loctician does a great job and they don't cause you any issues, this isn't the video for you. But if you might know somebody else that you've been trying to tell them, girl, you need to come to my loctician. Stop complaining about yours. Just come to mine. At the same time, listen, there are some things that is being held, okay? Held, and it has to be held accountable for those that are not more vocal. Majority of people, when they go to a loctician, they're like, okay, sis, I want my hair done like this. I want my hair done like that. Okay, bet. The loctician does their job. Now, the thing is, you need to ask questions about your hair. Your loctician might know some things about your hair, but sometimes what the loctician knows, you don't really know. So you need to know what's going on in your head. Listen, yes, we're here to provide the service, but you have to know how to take care of your hair. What if we're not around? Did you think about that? What if we're not around? You go to another loctician and the loctician asks you, what was the rotation that you used? You're looking like, I don't know. You need to know these things, guys. You need to know these things. You never know. Be more vocal. Ask questions about your hair. Other examples are shampoos. Like, some locticians don't wash hair. Hey, they just stylers. You got to make sure you figure out what shampoos to use. Sometimes the loctician doesn't wash hair, but they do have products that they can refer you to. Ask questions. Oils. What oils are good for your hair? Some oils are drying. Some oils are too moisturizing. You got to meet the middleman. Ask your loctician. Maybe they do give you oils. Some people do condition their locks. Hey, maybe you might be one of those that might need to condition your locks. Ask questions. Do I get protein treatments? Do I need a protein treatment? Do I need a detox? Do you provide detox services? So the most important one here is you gotta be more vocal about if your hair is too tight, if they're pulling too tight, if they're yanking too tight, if the reties are too tight. You need to tell them that these are your problems, because there are some people out there that are very timid about it and they feel like they're insulting the loctician. At the same time, this is your money, this is your head, this is what you have to go home with. So you don't want to be sleeping on your face because your hair hurts. You need to tell them, can you loosen up this lock real quick? Please don't retie close to the scalp. It hurts. Maybe they could provide you a service to where you get peppermint treatments or tea tree oil treatments to where your scalp isn't as tender. I know this video is short and sweet, and yes, I do apologize, but I just wanted to put this out there for those that are really shy. Don't be shy. Remember, you're getting your money's worth of the service. You want top quality, top notch, and that's the reason why you go to these locticians to get your hair done by them, because you see their work. But be more vocal about your hair. Just be more vocal. I mean, you know, don't say it with an attitude, but like, you know, hey sis, that lock kind of hurt. Like, we got beef. You upset? Do you need a break? Thanks for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and click that bell notification that's right next to it to get alerts whenever I post a new video. And of course, I know you like this video, so you might as well go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I appreciate it. You thumbs up the video. Thank you. All right, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.